Most of the people follow the path of action. They live in the world, which is full of charms, temptations, and attractions, where you are constantly blasted by the opinions of others. Someone says you are good and someone says you are bad, and you have to value the opinions of all if you come to the world. If you say you don't want to listen to anybody, it's not possible. What to do? How to live in this world? Not with the help of sannyasa, but with the help of Vairagya. Many of you will think, if I am practicing non-attachment, how can I love my husband and wife? Shall I tell you? Non-attachment means love. That what you call love, love is not love. That's lust. This is mine. Why? I am using it. But is it true? Tell me. It's not true. I have right to use it, but this is not mine. I can use it. Why should I stick to it? I am using it, and I am unauthorized. I have unauthorized possession of this. So I am creating problem for myself. Using is okay. Saint Bernard said, use or learn to use the things of the world, but love God alone. He knew the philosophy of non-attachment. While crossing river Jerusalem, Christ said, you see, do not get attached to the body, love soul alone. Non-attachment is one of the greatest philosophy of Christianity, which is called philosophy of love, that teaches philosophy of love. Through love you can reach God, but not love of the object. There the preachers goofed. Philosophy, love without object. Now there are two types of love. Do you need an object to love? Yes. Husband needs his wife's frame, a body to love her. Wife needs husband's body to love her. Child needs father's body to love her. This is called love for object. But this is what happens. The great men say all objects change, go through death, decay and decomposition. Every object. You got married to somebody who looked very beautiful. Suddenly smallpox happened. She looks ugly. You leave her, get another girl. Did you love that person before? No. It was actually your lust motivated you to get married, and you call it love. As sun does not rise from the east, sun never sets in the west too. These are words. This is a bad language to be taught to us. Is taught to us. This is a language of children. And we are using this language to know the truth, which is not possible. Let us go ahead and understand the philosophy of Vairagya. When we know all things change and they are fleeting fastly, how to live in the world? You don't say, my husband, I am not attached to you. You don't say like that. First, you should know that you have come to play a role in the world, a particular role. If you are a woman, you cannot play man's role. That's not good for you. You can play efficiently, but perhaps it's not good for you. You are assuming false, not good assumption. If a man is playing woman's role, it is not considered to be good, because he is not efficient in playing the role that he can. If we all learn to play the role, nicely, perhaps this whole world will change into Garden of Eden. How? With the philosophy of non-attachment, which is called true love. If you are not faithful to your Creator, how can you be faithful to your mortal? If you don't love yourself, let me tell you, you don't love your husband. You don't love anybody. For loving others, you will have to learn to create love for yourself.